Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Sagrada.
Okay, so you may sit down now. And for this morning, we have another topic, which is we tackle right now about the foreign culture and pop culture in the Philippines. So, class, what is foreign culture or pop culture for you? Yes, Rodely?
For me, pop culture is a global trend.
Okay, thank you so much. So yes, pop culture is a globally trend that something that we saw in our everyday lives, in social media, and even in our television. So any one of you loves Korean drama here, loves K-pop? Yes. Okay, so now class, we're going to talk and see the videos about the K-pop, about the Korean dramas, and how foreign culture affect in our daily basis. Okay.
모든 게 궁금해하실 때 tell me oh yeah 뭐가 널 행복하게 하는지 text me oh yeah
Your every picture 내 머리만 듣고 싶어
Come be my teacher 이 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘 You're one, you're two Listen my mind baby 나는 저 하늘을 높이 날고 있어
네가 내게 잡은
집 속에서 나 드라마 속에서 사랑을 느껴 사랑을 배워
Oh my God, Idol! Hi! You want to dance with me? Yes! Okay, let's go!
이러지도 못하는데 저러지도 못하네 그저 바라보며 baby baby 내 상처만의 이름과 함께 수많은 안내 baby 아직 그리 모르는 사이인데 아무거나 걸쳐도 아름다워 거울 속 팬들이서 하는 패션쇼 힙합 난 정말 꺾어 내가 먼저 턱 다짐 뿐인걸 매번 다짐 뿐인걸 나나나나나나나 노래가 나오다가 나는 몰래 눈물 날 것 같아 아닌 것 같아 내가 아닌 것 같아 I love you so much 이미는 나 겁나고 생각하는데 주면 내 맘인데 왜 맘대로 할 수 없는 건데 밀어내려고 하면 할수록 자꾸 끌려 왜 자꾸 끌려 baby Just like TT 이런 내맘 모르고 너무해 I'm like TT
In the heart of bustling cities far from the Korea, a girl from the Philippines have quiet obsession grows louder day by day. From skincare routines that promises glass skin to the limited edition of the product. For many, Korean products are more than just cosmetics or music. They're passports to a lifestyle that feels polished, perfect, and painfully beautiful. Girls scroll endlessly through curated Instagram, feeds their eyes, reflecting the glow, or the latest serum. Some borrowed money from their friends, from their family, or from lenders, all to chase a fleeting moment of aesthetic perfection, Korean beauty. But behind the flawless, selfless, and the glowing skin lies a quiet story, one of pressure, one of depth, and of the culture so powerfully influential that it turns distant fans into devoted disciples, willing to pay any price to feel closer to the dream. Guys, good day. We are here recently at Disneyland together with my group and the Hype Entertainment. We have Taeyong, we have Jungkook, and our fans. Look, guys. Here is the horse, flying horse in Disneyland. Cinderella, flowers, tower, and the dwarf, and the tower. They sit in the quiet room, eyes glowing, watching faces that look nothing like us. Netflix, Hollywood, K-drama, big budget, big names, big dreams, none of them is ours. They scream for Korean idols, they cry for Korean lovers, quote lines from movies they've never been, but forget the names of our own storytellers. Local films, too slow, too cheap, too corny, too real. They forget that once we told stories by the fire, on the street, on stage, in our own skin, in our own tongue. Now, it's thou, subtitled, filtered, packaged. Our screens are full, but our hearts are empty. Cursed, how can we love our roots when we don't water them? How can we remember who we are if we only watch who we're not? This isn't just entertainment. This is erasure. This is forgetting. This is losing our reflection in someone else's spotlight.
안녕하세요. Mion, Rika Amnida, Zio and Mion, Philippine SEO, Washio, Banagap Siyam.
Okay, class. Now that you saw already the video about the different foreign culture and pop culture that we saw in our daily lives, so what do you notice from the video? So anyone in this class? Okay, Chavez.
K-pop growth is being influenced by the Philippine people.
Okay, yes, no? Many Filipinos nowadays so different reels, so different video and challenges on TikTok for the K-pop group. So it dominates even here in the Philippines. So it can affect also in our tradition, in our culture here. So can any one of you give me the effects or the impact of foreign culture here in the Philippines? It is a positive or negative? Okay, Nanaga?
Negative, ma'am.
Okay, why negative?
Because some people
maintain our culture and heritage, we're going to balance between the pop culture, foreign culture, the local, and the international. So, do you understand, everyone? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so that's all in our class today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you, Miss Larada.
When we focus too much on foreign culture, we sometimes forget our own, the original Pinoy music, local films, traditional dance, and even our languages. That's the danger of losing our cultural identity in the process of admiring others.
Muli ay iyong pagbigyan, ako'y nagkamali. Muli ay iyong patawarin, ako'y nagsisisi. Alam kong ako'y nangakong di na mauulit pa. Ako'y nagkamali.
Nating dalawa, pero iniwan mo ko.
Alex, hindi totoo yan.
Ano ang totoo?
Natakot ako na baka masira ang buhay mo nang dahil sa akin.
Nagsimula sa isang pagkikita. Miss, wag! Huminahon kayo! Huwag mo sayang ang buhay mo! Kasalanan magpakamatay!
As a future educators, we believe in balance. It's okay to enjoy foreign pop culture, to be inspired, entertained, and connected. But let's not forget to celebrate our own. Let's support Filipino artists, speak our language, and stay proud of our own roots. So we ask you this: how was foreign pop culture influence you? And what can you do to keep the Filipino culture alive?